Hey everyone, welcome back to TechWares. Today is October 22nd, 2024, and today we've got some exciting news for all of you PC gamers. NVIDIA has just released the GeForce Game Ready driver, which is version 566.03, and is packed with some awesome features and optimizations. So let's dive into the details. So that's right, the GeForce Game Ready driver 566.03 driver brings support for several new games, including Dragon Age, the Veilguard, Alan Wake 2, The Lake House, Horizon Zero Dawn Remastered, No More Room in Hell 2, and Call of Duty Black Ops 6. The driver extends DLSS 3 frame generation support to these games as well, ensuring you get the best performance and visuals. So one of the standout features of the driver is the extended DLSS 3 frame gen support, providing smoother frame rates and improved image quality. Whether you're exploring Dragon Age or surviving Alan Wake 2, this driver has you covered. Additionally, the new driver includes support for 32 new G-Sync compatible gaming displays, monitors, and 3 new optimal playable setting profiles. This means more options to fine-tune your gaming setup for the best experience. But that's not all. The driver also fixes a system-specific bug where your Digital Vibrance custom setting doesn't persist after reboots or waking up from sleep. Now your settings will stay just the way you like them. So, if you're on a NVIDIA GeForce graphics card, make sure to download and install the GeForce Game Ready driver from the NVIDIA app, GeForce Experience, or GeForce.com to get these new features and optimizations. Have you tried it yet? Let me know in the comments. So thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for listening. If you found this video helpful or informational, and if it was helpful to you, give you some information that you weren't aware that this driver was out, hit the like button, leave a comment. It will help me get my channel and my videos out there to more people, and it will definitely boost it in the YouTube algorithm. Thank you guys for listening. Take care. Peace.